Ever wondered how to make a delicious sesame shrimp with Asian greens rice bowl at home? This scrumptious and healthy meal is a hot favorite across the globe, loved for its combination of succulent shrimp, crunchy Asian greens, and fluffy rice, all stirred together with a savory sesame sauce. Today, we're going to guide you through each step of creating this delightful dish in your very own kitchen. So, if you're ready to bring this Asian delicacy to your kitchen, keep watching. To start, gather all the essential ingredients. First up, we have the star of the show, the shrimp. Fresh, succulent shrimp give our dish the perfect protein punch. Then comes the sesame seeds, adding a nutty crunch that contrasts beautifully with the shrimp. Next, we have the Asian greens. Bok choy, spinach, or any of your preferred greens will do. They bring a refreshing balance to the dish, not to mention a lovely pop of color. Of course, we can't forget the rice. A good hearty base of jasmine or brown rice will make this a truly satisfying meal. Then comes the magic makers, the sauces and spices. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, a dash of fish sauce, and a sprinkle of crushed red pepper flakes. These are the flavor enhancers, giving the dish its savory, umami-packed, and slightly spicy kick. Lastly, we need a bit of oil for cooking and a squeeze of fresh lemon for that zesty finish. With all these ingredients ready, we can now begin the actual cooking process. First things first, let's prepare the shrimp. Dive right into the process by starting with cleaning the shrimp. It's important to remove the heads, shells, and the sand vein which runs along the back. Once that's done, give them a good rinse under cold water. Now comes the delectable part, marination. In a bowl, mix together some sesame seeds, a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss the cleaned shrimp in this tantalizing mix, ensuring they're well coated. Let them sit and soak up the flavors for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll cook the shrimp. Whether you're frying or grilling, the key is not to overdo it. Shrimp cook quickly, usually in under 5 minutes. You're looking for a bright pink color and a slight curl. Remember, too raw and it's not safe, too cooked and it's rubbery. Now that the shrimp is ready, we can move on to the next step. Next, we need to prepare the Asian greens and the rice. The key to vibrant, crispy Asian greens lies in the washing and chopping. Rinse them well under cool water and pat dry before cutting. Remember to slice them into bite-sized pieces for easier consumption. Now, it's time to bring out the flavors. Heat a pan over medium heat, add a dash of oil, and a clove or two of crushed garlic. Toss in your greens and sauté until they're just wilted yet still vibrant. While your greens are sizzling, let's turn our attention to the rice. Rinse it under cold water until the water runs clear, then drain. Add the rice to a pot with water in a 1:2 ratio. Bring it to a boil, then reduce to a simmer. Cover and let it cook until it's fluffy and soft. With the Asian greens and rice ready, we're almost there. Finally, it's time to assemble our sesame shrimp with Asian greens rice bowl. We've prepared all the components, and now we're going to bring them together to create our culinary masterpiece. Start with a generous layer of steaming, fragrant rice at the bottom of your bowl. This isn't just a filler, it's a canvas that will hold and enhance the flavors of our other ingredients. So take a moment to appreciate the aroma, the texture, the warmth. Next, it's time to add our sautéed Asian greens. These vibrant vegetables have been cooked just enough to bring out their unique flavors while keeping their crunch. Layer them over the rice, creating a delightful contrast of textures and colors. Now, we're ready for the star of the show, the sesame shrimp. These succulent pieces of seafood, delicately flavored with sesame, garlic, and soy sauce, are the highlight of our dish. Arrange them on top of the greens, making sure each bite will include some of this taste sensation. But we're not done yet. To finish off, drizzle some of the remaining sauce over the top. This will tie all the flavors together, adding a final note of savory sweetness that makes this bowl truly special. And there you have it, a delicious home-cooked sesame shrimp with Asian greens rice bowl. Enjoy your meal!